macadamia nuts and your avocado oil. Okay, it just doesn't sound appealing. So what do? How do you combat this ketosis or low carb dehydration so you can truly feel your best and not feel like you're really just slumping along with no electrical current running through your body? Well, of course, the main thing is you need to add some sodium to your diet in a high quality way. Okay, Himalayan pink salt, truffle salt, Brazilian sea salt, things like that have a plethora of different minerals, not iodized table salt. So doing this is going to help you immensely. And yes, the numbers need to be a little bit higher than they ordinarily would. Okay, you need to go like 3 to 5 grams, 3 to 5,000 milligrams of sodium per day to keep yourself adequately hydrated and keep your mineral balance where it needs to be. Very, very important on a low carb diet. Now, additionally, you want to be allocating the sodium to the morning as much as you can. And this again has to do with the adrenals, it has to do with the kidneys. Our adrenals and our kidneys are functioning a little bit more efficiently in a slightly different way in the morning. So if you add some sodium in the morning, it's going to allow your body to utilize the kidneys and utilize the adrenals a little bit better, therefore making it so that you don't have the negative implications of a low carb diet and dehydration later on in the day.